Hey, Mark the Meerkat in for Des once again with the broad market review for December the 8th, 2014. Well, it was a bearish day on Wall Street. Let's take a look here at the numbers. First of all, we got the S&P 500 down 0.73%, closing at 2060. Then we got the Dow down 0.59, the NASDAQ down 0.84, and the small caps down 1.28. Now look at it. Bank is also down, confirming the move down the S&P, but look at this. The VIX was up 20% today. Yes, folks, fear has come into the market. After all those cheers and about last week's employment numbers, some real pullbacks here today. Look at this, oil down another 4%. Another 4% down on oil. It is just getting creamed. It closed at $63 area right now. It dropped below that for a while today. The dollar, however, did not rise up to another 5-year high, although the oil is down to another 5-year low. And the trend is at 1.5, so no trade there for the Grok grads. And look at transportation down 1.3%. Wow, more than confirming the move down on the Dow. All right, let's take a look here at the rest of the charts here at the S&P 500 daily. Again, we're in this tight base up here. This nice consolidation up here at all-time highs, and it's pulling back down here to this line of support, which was resistance before. Pulled back to last Monday. Now we had another Monday pull back. And interesting, isn't it, huh? So are we going to break down now and start our fall down that Des kept talking about all last week? Or are we just going to base up here for a while and flounder? I've got my longs on, but boy, I've got my stops in place for sure. Here's the Dow Jones Industrial, although it did pull back. Again, look at this run here. It just keeps running up and running up. Did pull back. Still above the 20, this is the 11 EMA, still above that. It closed above it. The NASDAQ was rather weak today, and it was pulling back rather hard here. A little lower than last Monday. It tagged that line, the 20 moving average, and then pulled up back up just a little bit. So again, we're now with, what is this? We're now getting a bit of a bull pennant up here at the top of the NASDAQ. We'll have to wait to see if this continues to get tighter, and again, it can explode one way or the other. And then the Russells were down over 1% again today. And in this tight range that has been in for the last month and a half. Look at that, nice tight range. And let's see again, it's starting to form that as well. A couple of stocks of interest. Apple did break down a little bit today here. It started to go up here, hit its head on that 20 moving average, and then started to pull back. Then we got Alibaba, down over 2.6%. Continue that bear pullback that I talked about last weekend. Boom. And then we got Baidu. I also pulled down here to the 50 moving average, but dipped below, came up close, but still closed below. LinkedIn down another 2.8% here. It just keeps getting lower swing highs and lower swing lows on this one. Facebook was the only one in this sector that was up a little bit. It's in a symmetrical triangle, and it just was up a little bit today. And I do hold that one on my swing account. And now look at that. I talked about last Friday on the weekend report. An asymmetrical triangle here. Could be bearish. Bam, there it goes. Right to the downside on GoPro. And the last one then was Twitter. Bam, it was here getting a lot of support here in this area for quite a while. And then bam, away it goes down. Well, this is Mark the Meerkat Suffer, and Des is on a cruise this week, so I'll be in for him. Just remember that we trade what we see, not what we think. So, trade well.